BROCHIKAS, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be testing out the DUVOLLE curling wand, and this is actually my first time trying a curling wand. Every other time I've curled my hair, I've just used a straightener or like an actual hair curler with the clamp and everything. But I've always wanted to try a curling wand because I just feel like the curls turn out super like beachy loose wave type, which I love. I think it looks so pretty versus like a Shirley Temple curl, which sometimes my hair turns out like that and it takes like a day for it to like loosen up. So I ended up getting this one in the larger size. I forget how big it is. It says barrel diameter 25 mm, 32 mm. So I'm not sure if that's just this one or if that's the both sizes I carry, but either way, you guys, I have the bigger one. And also I want to thank DUVOLLE for sending me this curling wand today so that I can try it out to you, because this is a collaboration with them. I have worked with them one time in the past, actually. They sent me a spin brush years ago, and I used that spin brush for a little while, and then I think I stopped using it eventually, but they reached out to me to see if I wanted to try this curling wand, and I was super excited about it. And you guys, this curling wand is pink. So I feel like off the bat, I'm noticing that this was really well packaged. Like, it's not going to move around in shipment. Yeah, so it just feels like really well packaged, which is always good. So it does come with a glove, which is really good. Heat resistant glove. And then here is the wand. So as you can see, it's the bigger barrel because I want those like loose beachy waves. So hopefully I can perfect that hairstyle before spring and summer gets here. The only thing I'm noticing about this is it will not tell you the temperature it's at. There's only an on-off button from what I'm seeing. So that's a little crazy because you have no idea what the heat is at, but you know, we'll see how it works. First of all, the color is absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. It looks gorgeous. I haven't used this. Like, this is like a first impressions unboxing with you guys right now. I have not had a chance to open it. I've had it for a few days actually, or a week. I haven't had a chance to open it and try it. So I'm going to be trying it with you guys today. I have no reason to curl my hair today, but I figured it's like second or third day hair. I can't remember. So we might as well just curl it and see what happens. All right, so I have it plugged in and I'm gonna turn it on. There is a light, there is a blue light. It's just kind of hard to see because it's so bright in here. So I guess I'm just gonna let this heat up. It doesn't like have a stand, you know, like usually it has like something so it can sit on the counter. Yeah, interesting. I'm just gonna like lay it kind of diagonal towards my sink, honestly, but I don't know which hand I would need to use that on. I'm not really sure, but first of all, I'm gonna brush out this mess because we're looking crazy. Like, I'm a hot mess, y'all. I really am. All right, so I know I don't have to mention it, but I'm gonna mention it anyways, just in case. I'm still suffering from really dry scalp and flakes from when I had my hair dye debacle. So you may notice some flakes because honestly, I just brushed my hair and I was like, holy moly, there's a lot of flakes. That means it's almost healed, okay, guys? It's almost over. Like, the worst happens before it's over. Like, this always happens to me when I bleach my scalp. So, yeah, it'll be gone soon, but it's kind of bad right now. So please try to ignore it. So anyways, the way that I like to curl my hair is just by splitting it down the middle. And then I like to start from here and then work my way to the back, and then start here and work my way to the back. That's just how I like to curl my hair. When I straighten my hair, I like to, like, you know, get sections and clip it up. But when I like to do the loose beachy curls, which I want to accomplish today, I like to do it this way because it just looks more relaxed. So I'm going to take a section about this big. I can smell that the curling wand is hot. So first I need to like, I don't know which one I would use the glove on. Like, I don't know. I've never used a curling wand before, so I don't really know what I'm doing here. Okay, so I should use it on my left hand. Okay, so hold on. Hold on. Let's get protected. Yeah, just bear with me, guys, because I am very new at this. Ooh. Okay, so at the end, it's important to know that I didn't like wrap this part around it because I like when it's straight at the bottom. Again, the beachy waves. That's, in my opinion, that's how you achieve the beachy waves. So let's do another one. That looks good. And if you go with a smaller barrel, you're gonna have like really tight curls. So just keep that in mind. Actually, I feel like I should split that in half. I think pointing it downwards from up here is working out for me. You don't really have to hold it for too long. Okay, I feel like that one came out a little weird, but there's a learning curve to this. So I start at the top, I start wrapping at the top, and then I come to the bottom. And this glove is really helping. I'm not feeling the heat. All right, that one looks good. That one looks good. That's like a good spiral, like a wave. I feel like I've watched so many tutorials on how to do this on YouTube that I just kind of know how to do it because of that, but I've never used one. But like somebody will have it in their get ready with me. I know like wands were like the thing a few years ago. So okay, so this is the whole left side of my hair curled. After I curl my hair, I like to just kind of like run my fingers through it, loosen it up. I think it looks good, you guys. I think it's like exactly the look I was going for, kind of like effortless waves. So here is the before and here is the after. All right, we're back. I finished the other side of my hair. By the way, I'm noticing in the sunlight that I'm having some weird hues of blue and green. Guys, I don't even know. I like had blue and green on my hair before I dyed it black, so this is like the third time I've washed it. And I have permanent hair dye, so it's just weird. that I'm seeing that, but whatever. So anyways, overall, I feel happy with the curling wand. It definitely does the job. In terms of function, it works amazingly. Like, it's great. I actually did my hair relatively quickly. I feel like I definitely am not as quick with the straightener or a traditional curling iron. So I feel like if you are just like a person who's on the go all the time, but you want to look, you know, cute or presentable with some curls, this could definitely be good for your lifestyle, just because I feel like it was just so quick. Like, I feel like I've barely been in my bathroom doing this, and I achieved like a really nice like beachy wave. I think that the color is great. This packaging, this color is absolutely gorgeous. I noticed that this is very lightweight, which means when you're doing your hair, like, you know how your arms get tired? I feel like my arms didn't get tired till just about when I was done, and it's like pretty lightweight, so that might be contributing to that. And I feel like this handle, even though it looks just like plain, it's actually like really, really comfortable. And it being lightweight was like, just like I said, just so easy to work with. I feel like this could be good for beginners. And yeah, I mean, I really like it. It's the things that I would say is like, works great, really like it, achieved what I wanted to achieve. It's awesome. If they wanted to take it up a notch, I think it'd be nice to have like a digital screen so you can see what the temperature is at, because some hair is thinner than others, and it's like you have no idea how much heat you're putting on. So I feel like something like that could definitely like take it up a notch, but overall I really do like it, and I definitely see myself using it over other curling products. So I'm really glad that I got to try it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys use curling wands, let me know. If you want to check out this curling wand, of course I will have it linked in the description box below for you. And any coupon codes I will have also down below next to the link. And just a couple of stats that I forgot about. This is a tourmaline barrel with infrared heat, and it's an ergonomic comfort grip, so no wonder it was so comfortable. And it's dual voltage and 360 swivel cord. So just a few stats for you guys, but overall super happy with this product. So thumbs up for that. Thank you to DUVOLLE again for working with me on this video, and thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content from me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.